Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is direct current. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is direct current? Direct current, often abbreviated as DC, is a type of electric current that flows in a constant direction. In other words, the flow of electric charge is unidirectional, moving from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of a power source, such as a battery or a DC power supply. DC is different from alternating current or AC, where the electric charge periodically reverses direction. The voltage of a DC source remains relatively constant over time, creating a steady and continuous flow of electric charge. Direct current is commonly used in various electronic devices such as batteries, electronic circuits, and many low-voltage applications. It has a specific advantages in a certain applications, but for long-distance power transmission and other purposes, alternating current is often preferred due to its ability to be easily transformed and transmitted at a different voltage levels. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is direct current is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.